Hey, it's Jeremiah. I'm here at the Indiana Gold Panners, or Indiana Prospecting Association meeting, and we are gonna find some gold today. So I'm gonna try to meet up with a couple other prospectors and see if we can get a couple of different angles on what folks may be finding here in central Indiana. We're at Gatesville at the little country store in Gatesville, Brown County, Indiana. And we're working with this little creek right here. Look, there's a guy down there with a shovel right now. Probably gonna find some gold. So keep you posted. You got some campers, campsite. You got some people meet up post over here, and maybe we'll come across some good stories today. So I'm gonna get down to the creek and show you guys what we can do. A couple of specks there.
Yeah, it'll be the biggest thing you catch.
I'm gonna walk down the creek. I'm gonna see who else is down here. Here at Gatesville. I found a few specks back there, a couple holes, did a couple of test holes, and maybe I found collectively 10 specks, and still had fun doing that. Look at that. See that silt? Right on top of the bedrock, there's a layer of silt. This is a glacial inmarine zone where the glaciers pushed all this till and cobblestone into the creek. I was digging under some tree roots back there, sort of similar to that or that. See, found a couple bigger specks, and it gets deep right there. There's some grass down in there. I'll dig in that. I think I know a guy up here. Get up here and see what we can find. Big cobbles. Sandbars. Cobbles everywhere. Oh, I like this. Look at that. That little runoff runs into here. That's a little Y right there. A Y is actually a good place to look. Right in the Y. Look at all this. Got layers right in there. Right to the silt. Ah, this is excellent for gold panning. Look at that hole, that's deep. So,
Try not to dig too much.
So they were having good luck over here.
It's cloudy enough all the water for them guys down there.
Was you seeing our runoff coming down here?
You what?
Yeah, it's clean by the time it gets down here where we were at.
Yeah, mine's muddying up the whole creek.
So,
And he's dredging down there, so I want to make sure he doesn't get.
so that big. So is this a natural hole down here?
I think so. There's another one just
So right where that Y is right into there, just.
Yeah, it's bedrock down there too.
Oh wow!
At least that one over there. I haven't looked at this one.
Said he saw bedrock over there. I may have to find that. Wow. All right. We're at Gatesville, Brown County, Indiana. Glacial gold hunting with the Indiana Prospectors group. He's got a little trommel over there. Said he found about 150 specks when he ran a couple buckets through there. So I may have a couple test pans to do over here.